bird dog crunches on our hands and knees. Back is flat, core is tight, keeping it activated the whole time. Keep the neck neutral and relaxed. And then we're gonna lift up left leg, right arm. Find the balance there. And then we'll try and crunch the knee and the elbow together and stretch out. Do about 5 to 10 of these on this side. And then we bring that back down. Then we'll lift up right leg, left arm, find the balance again, and then pull the knee and the elbow together 5 to 10 times, or you can do 30 seconds, either way. And there you have it.